All right, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Build, Break, and Fix. To everyone who is new here, of course, we are Raw Chorus, which means that we are a team of three developers from Melbourne, Australia. That's where they live. That's where we live. Um, I'm Karthik. This is Tanish. I work as a software developer at a agri-tech startup. Tanish, you want to give us a quick intro?
Yeah, no worries. I work as a site reliability engineer. Um,
Nice.
yeah,
Pretty good. I feel like we should do the intros more often because there's
yeah,
a lot of people see the YouTube videos and they're like, "Oh, yeah, who's this?" Um,
yeah, true, true.
but if you're new here, we are working on a project called Scrambler CA Enhancement, which means that we are adding persistent storage to a current person's project, which is called Scrambler CA. And to do that, we are using Express.js as our backend, AWS as our preferred cloud vendor, and just vanilla JS for the front end. So before we begin, I'd like to do the acknowledgement of the country. I feel like it's really important and a big part of the Australian culture. So here it goes.
I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to their elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today.
Amazing.
Nice.
Cool. How are you feeling today, Tanesh?
Yeah, really good guy. Yeah, keen to get into it. I think we
Nice.
left off with trying to fix that issue where the um, the alerts don't just show up when you
Yep.
click a button, but rather show up when it's actually being pushed to the DB. So yeah, keen to get
Yep.
into it.
Cool. I think it's your turn to share the screen. Do you want to go ahead and share the screen?
Yes, sounds good.
Cool.
I was just wondering, Kay, did you push from the other day, actually? Um,
Oh, I think I did. Not too. Do you want me to check?
yes, please. Yeah, that'd be good.
Alrighty. VS Code, where you are. Do, do, do. Hmm. Interesting. Oh, I lied. I didn't. Git commit. npm. There we go. You got it.
Cool. Thanks, man. Um, I'm sharing my screen. Right now, by the way.
Mhm. Pull it again now. I missed one file. If you haven't pulled it yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry about
Okay. I'm gonna share my screen. Okay.
Oh yeah, I'll add that. Sorry. Yeah, there you go. You got it.
Yeah.
Alrighty. All right. You still have the error.
I have this uncaught in promise reference error.
Mhm.
Not access session port ID before initialization.
Right.
What is that? Number 9. This one, session port ID. I'm gonna just stop sharing my screen for a sec. Just
Yeah,
check,
sure.
check the backend API.
Yeah, easy. Yeah, let me tell our viewers as well that we have started screaming.
Yeah.
I'll text them on Slack.
Mm-hmm.
Tori texted me about something which he wanted us to do.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's all. You can share my screen again. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Ready. Where is Tori Littlefield? I think Tori has a very interesting story to tell all of us.
Really?
Yeah, I think if he tells his to us, it'll be better.
Okay. Can you hear it? What's the issue with this? Why am I getting this error? Again, 65. Just having a look at the code. Okay. You have it as well, right? And you have no problems. So I don't know. It's saying it's something wrong with line 9.
Where the the place where it throws the error.
Yeah.
Line 9.
Yeah.
That is a console log.
Yeah, I know, but it's saying
Yeah.
cannot access session port ID before initialization.
Yeah, one sec. I think I know why. Go to line 17, sorry. Line 17 and 26. In the code, yeah.
17 and 26.
Okay. So get board and go on line 9 again. Alright, we made this function async, but we never added the await while calling it. No, wait 1 sec. I feel like, you know what? I don't think so. We are even using this.
I
Just
don't think
remove this
so.
whole. Yeah, just remove this. Comment it out or remove it. Whatever works. Even remove get bored on line 17.
But yeah, but you didn't have this issue, so I'm just wondering why as well. Cannot access Euro before initialization.
So one is gone. The second one originally said line 26 originally and then 65. Go to line 26 and see what we have. Okay, so it's await and go to line 65. Was it? Oh yeah. There's nothing such thing called. Just remove the whole from the equal to till the initial part of the line. Just remove all of that.
This?
No, on the left side. Remove the equal to as well.
Oh, you mean this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh no, just like yeah. Yes. Now let's try it.
I have a feeling I know what's wrong, actually. Let me just stop sharing my screen again.
Yeah, sure.
I feel like it's the way. Maybe it's something to do with the URL, like the way I've put it in. In the URL, you include board and then slash right at the end.
Sorry, in the URL we include board and
slash, like I'll put in the private chat.
so it's yeah, okay. I can put it out. Wait, you aren't in the Postman team, are you?
I don't think so.
Imagine that. Give me 1 second.
Are those guys coming to watch, by the way? Tori and
Sorry? Yeah. Tori just texted me back on Slack. So yesterday Tori he's been going on for like an interview, right? For a front end role. So he was like, maybe if we could stream like a little React app or something to help him.
yeah, that'd be cool.
I'm okay with like I'm keen to streaming that. I'm not sure if you're gonna stream that or not.
Yeah, I don't mind. I'm good. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the board URL, by the way. Okay.
Yeah, I'll send you the link to the Postman group, so I think that can help. And yes, that is the board.
And you would put it exactly like that, right? In the
yeah. Why does after HTTP we have 2 / Is that normal? 1 second. Let me open my environment.js. Oh, never mind. Yeah, there's normal.
Okay, then I don't know what the issue is here. Seems like I feel like it's not like a code thing. It's more like a
Right.
a config thing.
Yeah.
Because yours is fine, right? I mean,
I think so. Let me try. To CD client. Let's go live server. Go away. Hope mine isn't fine as well.
yours isn't fine as well.
No, very wacky. It's not working.
Same error as mine.
Yes.
Okay. And we can share my screen again.
Okay. Okay, so does that seem to work?
I think I know what the issue is. Okay. What's this one?
I could see the issue. It's the / after the board. So in your URL, you don't have the / at the end.
Okay, but okay, yeah, I get what you mean.
Yeah.
Um,
Go
so
to your
it's
environment file. It's fine if it's on the stream. I don't mind.
okay.
Um,
I
the
had that
last.
earlier as well, but
Really?
what I was gonna say is, I think there's an issue when it's first loaded. Like, if you don't, like, if you decide to go to home HTML,
Yeah.
without, uh, yeah, without going on index first, I feel like that's when there's an issue.
Right. Okay,
Like,
that's weird.
yeah, so we can test it, but like now it'll work fine because we already interacted with this page.
So you're saying that we have to go to index first and then come back to home,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then only it seemed to work.
Yes. Yeah.
That is very interesting.
I think so. That's maybe it would be good to test that properly, but I believe that's the case.
Okay.
So now if we go to home HTML, it won't give any issue.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe we can test that offline, but
Yeah. Sure. That's kind of wacky.
I think so. For today, we want to look into the card IDs, right? That's the plan.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So just gonna have a look at the board. Maybe I'll just share the link and we change it later. So we can have a look. So I'll just save some notes as well. So we have the text and yeah, we have the text. Date created and no UUID.
Yep. That is very interesting.
Yeah. It is. open a separate VS Code. I'm trying to do here.
Okay. The worst part is it was working. Like we had the UID,
Oh,
and we
you
didn't
guys,
even. Yeah,
okay,
like it was working, and we didn't even touch it.
interesting.
Yeah.
Working for the board ID, right? Actually,
Sorry.
it's working for
Yeah.
the board ID.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, it's working for the board ID, no problem. I don't know if this is going to make a difference, but what if we did the same thing that we did, oh, you guys did in the board ID, create it outside and then add the variable here. I don't think it's going to make a difference, but maybe it's
Yeah,
worth it.
we can try that. Yeah. So you wanna give it as a constant outside, and then
Mhm.
sure.
How would we test this, by the way? Okay.
Sorry.
How would we test this?
You probably have to go ahead and deploy it and cross your
AWS.
fingers. Yeah. Just do SAM build and SAM deploy. It'll deploy to the same URL.
Oh, just from here.
Yeah, just from the terminal. SAM build and SAM deploy. Oh my words.
What have you been up to, man? Your break is on now.
Sorry?
What have you been up to since your break is?
I went for a lot of shopping on Black Friday.
Mhm.
Been working. Um, oh, I I think might become the president of the programming club at RMIT.
Oh well.
So
Nice.
yeah, that's exciting. I'm not. I mean, I have nominated myself,
Mhm.
and there's no one else who's nominated themselves yet.
Okay.
But yeah, that's
That's
exciting.
awesome.
What about you?
And nothing much, man. Just working. So,
Nice. How's like I know you have like Friday nights you have to work long or something.
sometimes I have to work on Friday nights.
Yeah.
Like after hours changes and whatnot.
Yeah.
But yeah, otherwise just standard 9 to 5.
Very nice. It's good to have some stability.
Yeah, for sure. So it's already deployed. Okay, by the way.
Can you show me the terminal once? Nope,
wait.
it's not. Oh, what did you do? What commands did you use?
I use SAM build and then SAM deploy. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you have to do -G for guided deployment. So SAM deploy -G. Yep. To that, and I'll let you know. Yeah, press enter on this one. Press enter on this one. Press yes on this one. Press yes on this one as well. Yes as well. Yes again. Enter. Enter. Oh wow. Okay. Boy. Oh boy. Okay. Let me see if I can deploy. Have you deployed previously to Zen's account?
No, I've never.
Oh, that makes more sense.
What do I need?
Okay. Sorry.
What do I need to deploy?
He needs to make a IAM user, but that's fine. I'll do what you did exactly. So if I share my screen, just let me know what you did, and I'll deploy
sure.
it for you.
She's made an IAM user for me actually, but maybe it's like,
Oh, he did. Did you configure it
no, I
on your
haven't.
CLI? All right. Okay, that's
Okay,
fine.
that's all right. Yeah.
Hmm. What change did you make?
Basically, I did the same thing you guys did with the board.
Okay.
So, added the constant node ID on top, and then just reference that variable.
Yep. Sorry about that.
That's right.
Is that all you did?
Yeah. That's. I put it at the very top, but I don't think it makes a difference. So
Nah.
yeah, it should be fine.
Is my screen small or big enough?
Nah, it's big. It's okay.
Okay. That is good enough. And deploy. Enter. Yes. 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 I just hope the URL doesn't change.
Yeah, hopefully. That's all right. We can quickly check that one.
Hmm.
Tori not joining us tonight, or is he?
Sorry?
Tori, he's not joining us tonight.
I don't know. He said he wanted to do some
Oh, that's right.
front end, but he just didn't join.
Okay, that's right.
You coming to the stream? I mean, I wouldn't mind if he wants to come on the stream as well. Like, that'll be fun. Okay. The URL did change, sadly.
Did it? Okay.
Yeah, I'll send you the new one.
Cool, thanks.
There you go.
Thanks. Why does this one already have data in it, actually?
Or it might be the old one. I think this one is there in Postman as well, so it does look like the old one. Actually, I'm positive that it's the old one because Postman uses the same one. Are you in the
Okay.
Postman team now?
I need to sign in and whatnot. But
Okay, that's all good. Yeah. That's interesting. Oh, it doesn't use. Ooh. Let me change the variables. Variables. Postman. Give me that. Prod. Save. I think, yep. Let's see what we get. Okay. Seems to work. Let me post a note. Let me post a note. Okay. Oh wow, that did make a difference. That's kind
did
of
it?
wacky. Yeah. Make a mistake.
Nice. Do you want to share the link? Okay.
Yeah, surely. Oh, there we go. Tanish is inside. New join request. Wait, I made the link public. Why do you have to request? Very weird. For context, Summer Flare is me and Zen's API is Zen's.
Okay.
I think that was pretty clear anyway, but I don't know. I just have to. Hey, Gegdev. Hey, Ansh Luthra.
Hey, Gekdev.
I'll approve your. Oh, wait, what? That doesn't make any sense. Dude, which team did I add you to? Fun.
Is the backend API in Postman as well?
Yes.
It it automatically links up with that, or do you guys add it manually?
You. I mean, if you change the variables to the current endpoint, so I've made it that way that you don't have to do any legwork. Just let me just see why can't you join it? Why is it not letting me invite you to just this workspace? It's inviting you to all of my workspaces for some reason. That's weird. Summer Flare, no. Zen's API, yes. Share. Try this thing. Yeah, my screen is off, right? That's cool.
Yep, it is.
Send you the link.
Do you want to send the backend API as well for the meetup?
Backend API. What I sent you already the link to the backend.
Oh,
Is that
is that the one?
yeah on
The
the
one
top?
that already has data on it?
Yeah, the one just before this.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Thanks.
Weird.
You're sharing your screen right now. You meant to, right?
Yeah, I am. I just want to make sure that how do I invite you to only this workspace? Very weird. Doo, 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 doo. Let me invite Tunesh. People. Why is Postman being annoying? So I can't invite you to a particular workspace, but I can only invite you to my endpoint.
Hmm.
Okay, let's see. Oops, never mind. I think Zen has to invite you. I have reached my limit of 3 people.
Okay.
Very weird. Sorry about that. Do you want me to add your screen?
Yeah, sure thing.
You're up now.
So just try that now. Okay. Yeah, that works, huh? Very interesting.
That is sad. That should not work.
Yeah, very interesting. So for those of you just joined, basically we're trying to get the node ID to work. And what we did was we were having we had the we're calling the UUID function in here, but instead we created a new variable and then assigned it to the variable and then just referenced it. And for some reason this worked, and just having this didn't work. So
Yep.
yeah, very interesting.
No, it's bad. Very, very weird. Anyway, coming back to what we were doing then.
Cool. So in that case, now that we
Yes.
have that saved,
Yes. So the issue right now is that how do we reference the boards to update or delete them now? And the solution which we were kind of looking was that the backend and the front end have the same node IDs.
yeah, 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 yeah.
So maybe let's go ahead and do that.
Uh,
So for that, you need to make some changes in the middleware and the way you call it.
so you're saying you want to store the card ID, okay, for this?
Essentially, yes. Shouldn't be that hard. Just go to the function post. Blah, blah, blah. 1 second. Yeah, why do you worry on middleware? I was like,
Yeah.
yeah. Anyway, yes, post. No, yeah, post node. Yes. So here in the parameters, probably add anything which says key or whatever it is on the parameters. Yep. Probably add it to the last part.
Yeah. Okay.
I feel like board ID to post should come first, then note ID, and then value in the parameters, because that's how
Yeah.
the URL is built.
True.
Now, in the body, on line number 1, 2, 3, press enter. Oh no. Just press, yeah, make a new, yeah, and do note ID is note ID.
Oh man, this isn't. Is this the only way? I think.
Um,
In your opinion?
what do you think? Like, okay, I'll tell you the meta problem. The meta problem is that
Mhm.
we need some way of referencing
Mhm.
the particular notes while
Mhm.
we are in the first session. Like, while we just created the board and we want to make sure that, yeah, that this all works, and we can call the delete and update functions.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. Okay. Yeah. What other option? Would there be another option? Just quickly thinking about it. Would there be
um
alternative?
yes, so the other option could be nothing. I don't have anything. I really don't. I genuinely don't know. Just trying to think. We can get the note back, but how would we reference? I don't. In my opinion, I don't think so. Maybe someone else who's better at this could tell. But
Hmm. Maybe get dev.
hey, get real quick. Um, but that's all right. Let's give it. Let's give
Yeah,
it this.
let's give it a Yep, yep. Let's do that.
I think note ID should be written a different way. Line 1, 2, 4.
Okay.
Just do underscore on the top one. Okay, so on the parameters, just do underscore here. Yeah, exactly there. And on line 124 as well, do underscore on the right side. On the right side. Yes.
We can
Okay.
do card ID and node ID. If
Uh,
we'll just leave
pretty
it
much
for now.
same thing. Trying to have a thing. Do we need to change? Do we need to change anything else? I don't think so. Let's change things in the back end. Actually, I'll just do that real quick. It'll take only 2 seconds.
Yep, sure.
Back end, where are you? Is this post note? Yes, it is. Alrighty. Okay. Request body note ID. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Trying to think if that's something which we can do. Yeah, probably. Yes. Let's see. Sam build. Yeah, what's the worst? Which laptop do you use, Tanesh? I forgot.
MacBook Pro, not the M1, the one before the M1.
When did you buy it?
Started this year. I purposely didn't want the M1.
Oh, okay. Because of the compatibility issues.
Yeah, because yeah.
Fair enough.
You have an M1, right?
Yeah. Did you feel it slowed down?
No, not really, not yet.
Right.
The only thing is
And
the battery life is not as good, I'd say. But
yeah. Do you have regrets?
maybe just for the battery, to be honest.
But are you
Otherwise,
happy with the other stuff that it compensates for the battery?
yeah, I think so. I don't know, because it seems like it'd be a hassle to get things working at M1 for now, anyways.
Could be, yes. I
Has it
remember
been?
I had a very, very huge problem
Mhm.
with running Ruby on on my machine. So what essentially happened was that Blue, as a package manager, um, some of the packages weren't compatible because with the M1, Apple came up with this new, I don't know, x64 architecture kind of thingy, and Intel uses x86. So yeah, it was a big trouble. But anyway, you can go ahead and try it. And also, one big trouble getting virtual machine, almost impossible.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, VMware Oracle Box doesn't work on Mac. M1.
VMware doesn't work. Oracle works, you said? Or
Yeah, VMware doesn't work
VMware doesn't
on.
work? Okay.
Only option you have is Parallels.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Interesting.
And Parallels cost like $70 a month. So
Oh, wow.
steep pricing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
go ahead and test it. Oh wait, call it properly.
Cool. Recording it in...
Yep. Yep. Second is key. Yep. Second is key. Just put in key in the middle one. Yep.
Oh, you're already calling it. Yeah, okay.
Sorry.
I didn't know that you already you already have it.
Yeah, we're using HashMap, so
Oh, yeah. Okay.
already have it. Just do one. I'm having. Oh, really? Okay. Let's see how the endpoint looks. Can you open it on the browser?
Yeah, I can, but the URL might be exposed.
All right. Okay. I can see it on Postman. Give me one sec. Okay. Yeah, you got it. Very nice.
Nice. Card ID. Yeah, let's make sure. Does the card ID change between sessions? It does, right?
No. Now it won't.
Oh, now it won't. True. Okay. Cool. All right. So yeah, now that we have that,
Now let's try calling something like update. Patch note. It's down. Search for patch note here. Yep. Okay. Go back to script.js. Leave that. I think this is all should be fine.
yeah, just
Where you're calling patch node on line 218, just call it. Don't worry, it'll work fine. No, I mean like give the parameters. Yes. So
Yeah.
the board ID from the local storage. No, not that board ID. The from the local storage one. Local storage will get item.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Yep.
Maybe we make a variable here just to.
Yeah, sure. If you don't want to call that get item function, just do session board ID and get over with it.
Looks nice.
Yeah. Sorry? Yeah, make it a var. Oh yeah, let sorry.
So we need node ID and oh.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Can you see the still front end again? Just 1 second.
We're not. Yeah, don't we need to?
No, should be fine.
Don't need to add in the body.
Sorry?
You don't need to add the node ID in the body as well. This one.
No. That should be fine. We already have it.
Oh, okay. You guys
Sure.
you got it in the back end, right?
Sorry. Yeah, it's already there.
Okay.
No, yeah. Let's try it. Positive that it should work.
Nice. This is the same board.
Yeah, just post this board and then change it again. Yeah, post it. Yeah. Change it now. Yeah, first let's see if it got posted. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah.
It's there. Sorry. Come again.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay. Just make it hello or change it. Yep. Let's see what we got here. We didn't get an error, so
it's added another card in the backend.
Oh, I think I know why, because it says not inserted. Okay, that's fine. That's a logical error, not a semantical one.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the code. Value.status says not inserted all the time. Can we print out the whole array on line 200? How to print out the whole array? How to print? Is it an array? No, it's not.
Text for notes.
Yeah, can you print out text for notes here?
Okay. We'll just print out every time there's for every note, right?
All right. Yeah. Wait, just do one. Okay. Yeah. And do 2. Yeah. And then print this. Like post this. Yeah. Can I see what's happening? So 0, 1, 2, and what do they say? Can we see their status? So the status does say inserted. Can you go on the second map? Is it the same thing? Oh yeah, it's basically print twice. Okay. Can you change the value? Of this to 3. Yeah, make the first one 3. That's fine, I guess. Just rearrange them. That's kind of yeah,
It's confusing. Oh,
that's fine.
3, 2.
Press it again. Yeah, press the save again. Yeah, go down.
Patch. Oh, it
Can you make sure these cards are there, the same IDs? Let's see. Your board is called Demo 1, I reckon.
yeah, demo 1.
So Demo 1 351676470. Yep, happens to be here, and it has the value HR RHH. We're getting a 400 error, which means that it is present. Can't reach it. It's not 404. So your 123 got posted as well.
Okay.
Very weird. The weirder part is that we only have 5. Can we do one more? Can we start over with the test?
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah. Create a new board from scratch. I think we already have a KT1 there.
Do we? Okay.
Oh no, we don't. Never mind. Yeah. And can we start with like 3 boards with 1, 2, 3? Yep. And let's just post them. Let's see what we got. If I go back, yep, we have 3 boards. KT1, 1, 2, 3. Easy days. 1 second.
Cool.
All right.
Hey, Tori.
Hello. Hey, Tori. How are you? Status stay inserted as well. That's good. Now let's just change them.
Okay.
Yep. Make this 2, 3, 4. Or the way, actually 4, 5, 6. That'll be way more distinct. Yep. Okay. Can you go on the values and see? I'll go on the backend and see. No, we have more.
It's added it again, like separately.
You know what's weird?
Mhm.
We already have these same note IDs.
Mhm.
Wait, but why is it calling post note? Oh, I think it's just calling post note. Go back. It's a logical error here. You want to come on the show, Tori? I don't mind. I mean, it'll be fun. We don't mind actually.
Yeah. Sounds good.
I think we messed up somewhere with the double switch kind of a thing.
I think, yeah, because I feel what is
What?
happening.
Oh, I
is-
know what's happening. We forgot to close the curly brace of the first switch. Go back. Yeah. Oh, no, we didn't. What? That's very interesting.
Okay, yeah, what I think is happening is, when we are changing, right? When we're changing the nodes,
Yep.
we are reverting the status back to not inserted. Is that correct? And because it's
No. See, on line number 212, we say it's inserted, the status.
okay, but we're calling post node again, right? We're not calling patch node. So
What do you mean?
I mean, like it's inserting once again because we're calling post node, right? So
But how is it going there when case knows? Can we just ditch switch for like 5 minutes and do if? Yeah, I'll send you Tori the link. I think so. Was there a time clash because we are almost finishing the stream now, Tori? I don't think so. There's any point though.
can you come on tomorrow?
Yeah, maybe come on tomorrow, Tori. Because it's 10:30 now in Melbourne. I feel like you missed just the 1 hour somewhere. Or am I seeing the time wrong? Wait, oh no.
Yeah, it's 10:30.
Switch value dot status. The value dot status does say that it's. Can we do if, please?
Can we check? Okay, how about we print text for nodes outside? Actually, like here is what I mean. We
Yeah,
can
sure.
do it, but I just want to see like maybe.
Yeah. Yes, I know what you mean. So you think it's inside the loop? That's why.
I think. I have a
Don't do
feeling
demo.
Oh yeah, true. No,
That's fine. That's fine. Okay. KT2. We already have KT1. Okay.
One.
Oh, there we go. I'll add Tori. Hello. Hey, Tori.
Hey,
Hey, Tori.
how's
How
it
are you?
going, guys?
Yeah,
Not
good,
bad.
man.
Wait, so did you just have daylight savings or whatever?
I don't think so. Did we?
It's already been like a month or so since we had it.
That's why then. I had no idea.
No, you were attending us since a month.
That's so what that's weird,
What's
man.
What?
I'm confused. I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone then. Oh,
Tori,
you
do
know
check-
what? You know what? You know what? I think it was like 2 weeks ago, actually.
Was it?
3rd of October.
But
Changed.
really?
Yeah, it was 2 months ago
Jesus.
actually.
But you guys haven't. You got maybe it just threw me off because you guys haven't been streaming as much.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it could be.
That's true.
Yes, but now you're here, so that's good.
Yeah. Tori,
First
you're keen
of
to do
all,
some-
you
So,
need
yeah.
to tell us about that incidents to everyone.
Oh yeah, that was so funny. So the other morning, like my morning, but in the US it's like probably I'm guessing it was probably like maybe 10 o'clock, but maybe they're West Coast. I don't really know where they were, but I did like an interview prep on a service called Pramp, which is like peer-to-peer interviews for like you can do like system design interviews or algorithm, front ends, behavioral stuff. Anyways, so like I've done it before, and I get on with this guy, and all of a sudden he just starts like saying like, "I'm an interviewer for this company, Pramp. So I'm going to be interviewing you today, actually." And I just do this in my spare time, basically, like as a little bit of side money. But I work at Amazon. I've worked at Google. I've worked at blah 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 blah. And I'm just like, all right, man, whatever. Like, that's great, great experience for me. And then he starts just saying like really crazy stuff that I probably wouldn't repeat on the show.
Yeah.
But like one of the things he was like for instance, one of the things he said was he was talking about like stealing like people's money from like RFID chips on credit cards. He's like, yeah, I programmed it in like 2 weeks, and then I like stole this dude's money, and then I like sent his ex-girlfriend the money.
Wow.
Yeah, like it got like there were things he said that were worse than that, and I'm just like, all right, man, like I don't care. Like you seem like a real arrogant person and like really psychotic, but like I just want to solve this coding challenge. I didn't say that to him. Like, yeah, okay, like don't get caught, man. And then I like repeated the question to him, and he's like, "But you're forgetting the most important part." I'm like, "Well, what is that?" And then he spits out some acronym, and I'm like, "Huh?" And then he's like, "This was a prank." And then he's like, "Let me get your real interviewer." I'm like, "What is going on?" Like, what is going on? And then like 5 seconds later, a guy appears in front of the screen after I can see these other people like kind of talking off screen, and I'm like, "Wow, is that's Nick White?" and then he put on his headphones. I'm like, "Are you Nick White?" And he's like, "Yeah, I'm Nick White."
Do you know
So
who Nick White is?
No, I don't know Nick White.
Oh, you should see his videos on YouTube.
Yeah, he's pretty funny, and like one of the things he does also like really well is put out a lot of videos on solving like leak code challenges and learning like data structures and algorithms, amongst other things. But like I think probably like he's most known for that. And he's like, "I'm so sorry about it." Like that was my friend, and like we were supposed to be making content for the channel, but like he went like way over the top. Like it wasn't good. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to waste your time. He's like, "This won't be on air," and I'm like, "I wouldn't put it on air, but like it's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you."
Yeah, no, that's fun. That's
Yeah,
very
no.
nice. Wonderful experience.
Yeah, and he was actually like super nice too. He was like, "I'm sorry, man. Like, I didn't mean to waste your time here. Like, that wasn't supposed to happen. This was supposed to be a prank, but like, it wasn't supposed to be like that." And just like hit me up on Discord, and I'll like if you want, I'll do interview like mock interview with you like this week. And I'm like, "It's cool. Like, it's you already like taught me enough, so thank you so much. Like all the free material is great." And it was just really fun to meet you, like under these circumstances too. Just crazy.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
that's amazing.
Yeah, that was the first time I ever got pranked by a YouTuber, so I'm happy about that too. Because I always thought to myself, like, there's so many content creators out there these days. Like, when am I gonna get pranked? But I never would have guessed it would have been doing a coding challenge.
Yeah, like that's the least you would expect.
True.
I've seen a lot of people making these pranks videos like in Melbourne Central, like almost every day. I don't know, some watermelon prank or I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. They keep doing weird things in Melbourne Central.
Yeah, you'd expect to be pranked like on the street, like not on a definitely not on a coding challenge or interview for sure.
I'll tell you, it was like dealing with the first guy. It was so stressful. I was like, this guy's insane. Like I need to. This is making solving this challenge like so much harder because like I feel like this guy's gonna just like say insane stuff to me the whole time. So I'm like, I guess this is like the extreme side of really prepping for a really bad interview.
Yeah. Oh yeah, experience for a lifetime for sure.
I wish I could see that video.
Yeah.
Does Pramp record the interview?
No, it's not. It's private.
Right.
They don't record it. It's like, it's really meant to be a service to like do interviewing, not for
not for pranking.
Yeah, not for pranking. So funny.
From prank to pranks.
Yeah, so I mean like actually it actually gave me some good material as an icebreaker for my actual interview. because I'll just tell you'll never believe what happened to me.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, for sure. And if you vibe with the interviewer, I think that's also matters a lot.
Yeah,
Um,
well, if I don't, then I'm definitely not going to have a job.
yeah,
So
yeah,
we better vibe.
I know what you mean.
Troy, that's a
Yeah.
good story, man. Like you can use that forever now. Whatever like interview you have, you can always just use that story.
Yeah, like the one kid, like Nick was like, "Please don't tell anybody." I mean, what he really meant was, "Please don't tell anybody I'm a hole," and like the content here was of really poor quality because of how extreme it was.
Yeah,
But like, yeah, Nick was like super nice guy actually.
nice, very nice.
Yeah, I was surprised. I'm like, wow, he's really really nice.
That's amazing.
Nice.
Cool. But I think we can do the React app thing tomorrow. I think it's already 10:45 here in Melbourne.
Sure.
So,
You guys want to do that?
Yeah, cool,
Um,
man. Yeah.
do you wanna jump on the stream and we can do it together tomorrow?
Sure.
Or-
So I'll make sure I'm on time then. I don't know why, like, I didn't get a notification for the
Yeah.
show starting. It's weird.
Hmm.
Do you guys have any ideas of what you might want to build in an hour?
I
Which
built
is
this.
probably nothing.
I'll show you what this thing I built. Maybe that could be something interesting. Just like a contacts app kind of a thing.
Okay.
Um,
Did you build it in React?
yeah, I can already actually
Oh,
show
okay.
you. Maybe we can make it better or build it again. Wait one sec. That was just trying to learn React though. It's not something fancy.
But Thinesh, you've never used it, right? You've never used the framework.
I built like one website last year, so
Oh, okay,
that's
cool.
that's
So,
really about it. Yeah.
oh, nice. So like we can just kind of fast forward over basic stuff.
Yeah, hopefully, man. But yeah, haven't touched it in a while.
Well, it's way easier than what you guys are doing with this project. I mean the front end, like doing it old school, like vanilla JavaScript with jQuery, and like the whole front end just looks like a horrible mess. Like, no offense.
Can you see this? I just made
Yeah,
this
that
like
looks-
short
Yeah,
That looks good.
fun.
kind of thing. I think if you put in the oh no, you want to suggest. Maybe we can enhance it to like suggest. If I put in GRE, then it could show this guy as well. I think it's called
Oh,
some
yeah,
sort
yeah.
of thing. Forgot what it's called. But yeah,
That's cool.
maybe we can enhance this or do something else.
Do you use that app for your contacts?
Nah, it was for like an interview actually.
Oh, okay. That was
Yeah.
a challenge.
Yeah, it was. It was the challenge was just to build I don't know, like basic contacts, but I just wanted to do something. Yeah, like it was just like, oh yeah, this list the contacts. That was
Oh, okay. So it was take home
yeah.
in person.
Sorry. Oh no, online.
Oh, online. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, it looks good.
Thank you. But yeah, let's come back tomorrow and see
Alright.
what we can do with that.
Thanks, guys.
Sounds good.
I do have an interview tomorrow, but if I don't stream, you guys should stream for sure.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll make the link and I'll send you guys the link.
Wow, you got a lot of interviews lined up. That's nice.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that I get the best internship offer. Really. That's
Yeah,
why.
good plan. It's a good time too, I think, for sure.
Yeah, it is. So I'm just giving every interview I can and see where I can land. But yeah,
Nice, man.
cool. See you guys. I think it was pretty fun. Today was fun. I think we even on the stream we made actual good progress today. With the thing. But do you have anything to add, Tanesh, story?
No, it was good. Good progress. Yeah, good to have Tori on at the end.
Yeah.
I
good
think
progress.
I skipped over everything you did today. So great job.
Yeah, if you have one extra hour, you're welcome to watch it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm so tired of studying right now. Like that's why
Alright.
my hair is like this.
Yeah, I
I
understand.
gotta shave tomorrow and stuff. I'm just been
Alright.
cramming.
No,
grind.
it'll be awesome to see you on the show tomorrow.
All right, have a good night, guys. Thank you.
Alright. Good night. Cheers, everyone. Good night.
Cool. Good night, guys.
Take care.